Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at an 8-foot Deluxe skid assembly that we just wrapped up. This has an 8-gallon pressure washer and the gas engine soft wash system. I'll go over all these components, but we'll start off with the hose reels over here. We've got 3 of the 18-inch electric Titan hose reels. So starting on the end, we have our incoming hose reel. This right now has 100 feet of the 3/4 inch hose. And then on all of our reels, we've got the locking couplers, or this is a garden hose fitting here to keep everything in place so it doesn't come loose while you're driving down the road. We've got 300 feet of the 1/2 inch soft wash hose, and then we have 200 feet of the 3/8 inch pressure washer hose. So as we move our way around, we'll kind of get in a little bit closer to some of these components. While you're still a little further back, we'll talk about the the surface cleaner rack that we have on top. This is holding a 24-inch stainless steel surface cleaner. And what's nice about these is it keeps them all locked into place here. So the door just unclips here, and you can hinge it right open, pull it out, pop it back in. You could put a padlock here if you want to lock it so that it can't be just taken right out. We have the soap injector hooked up to the pressure washer hose reel, and you can pull from 2 different soaps through that. There's a couple ball valves back here that you'll be able to see once we get in a little bit closer to control which soap gets pulled through there. We have the 3,500 PSI 8-gallon a minute pressure washer with the Honda GX 690 engine and the big general pump. The way that we have this set up here is obviously we have easy access for both of the oil drains. You can prime everything up with the garden hose fitting here. Otherwise, it will draw from that 100-gallon tank that we have behind everything. We've got a 12-gallon fuel tank to supply the GX 690 engine. The battery for the electric start is here. We put a bigger battery in here so that the engine charges the battery, and that powers the power hose reels and also powers the transfer pump that we have. So the transfer pump is a 7-gallon per minute, 12-volt pump. We have a dipstick assembly that just quick connects right in here. You drop that into your whatever your concentrate is that you need to move into your 55-gallon tank. Switch that on, fill your tank nice and easy within just a minute or a few minutes, I guess, and you're all set to go. We have the AR45 pump with the GX 160 Honda engine. This system is connected to the proportioner valve down here, so you can soft wash and change your ratios easily. We have a rinse valve on the bleach line to keep everything cleaned out. Also helps prime the pump with the particular priming system that we have. On the driver's side now, we have the 7-gallon surfactant tank for the soft wash, and then we've got the 55-gallon bleach tank for your soft wash. So you can also pull out of both of these tanks for your pressure washer system. As we move further down, you can get a better glimpse of the tank that we have here. It's a 100-gallon water tank. We have a filter that prevents anything from getting into the tank, and then whatever might slip past there, or if you have any growth inside your tank, we've got a filter that goes to our soft wash system and to the pressure washer system. So we're trying to keep those pumps as clean as possible. We don't want any debris to get in there. And then we've got an aluminum diamond plate toolbox here. It's a locking toolbox. Opens up nice and easy. Got plenty of room for spare hoses, a small parts box, trigger guns. We got our illuminator in there. All kinds of goodies will fit. This system's getting ready to ship out today. So it's kind of a nice opportunity to be able to see it at ground level, where you can get a little bit of a better glimpse into how we have them put together before they're put into the bed of a truck. So if you guys have any questions on it, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks.